Hey, good morning on the wake up. About to share yesterday's, last night's sales or whatnot. For those that new to the channel, going over so eBay reseller, so full-time military, part-time eBay reseller, super part-time, and just sharing the journey. Just wake up, share the yesterday's, last night's sales or whatnot. Okay, so it's 4:45 in the morning, so excuse me. Still waking up, right? So yesterday actually didn't have any eBay sales yesterday, but we cross list. So cross list, we sold a pair of Nike Air Max 270s, and they sold for $92 on mercari. So we sell across Poshmark, eBay, mercari, and Poshmark. Trying to do more focus to the eBay side because one, eBay, I pay for an eBay store, so definitely want to get the bang for my buck. Got a basic store, it's like $25 a month. 350 listings included with that, and I think they got special now where you get some extra listings going on right now. But let me just go over the sale. So Air Max 270s on mercari, and one of my mistakes with the sale. So mercari and Poshmark is one of the worst. I feel is one of the worst place to sell sneakers because of the fees, obviously. So on mercari, it used to just be a 10% fee, and then if you charging free shipping, you pay your shipping fee. Now is a 10% fee. I think it's almost up to 13% now because they have like some seller fee going on, whatever, and then shipping. And this one I jacked up the shipping because I let mercari do the shipping. So mercari has an easy way to do shipping. You let them you give them the weight, dimensions, and they kind of pick what your best shipping parameters are, and you get the label off of them. So I had that on by accident. I normally do my own shipping on mercari. Let's go to like Pirate Ship or something like that, and do my own shipping on there. So it kind of cut into my profit. I got the shoes fairly cheap. Got them at Ross. It was a size 13, so I guess they were there for a while, so I only paid like 35 bucks for them. So still made a decent profit, but could have made more. One, if I would have sold them on eBay, because on eBay, if you sell sneakers for over $100, you don't pay any fees or whatever. You do your shipping and whatnot. And then on Poshmark, it's just an automatic 20%. So whatever you sell it at is an automatic 20%. So by far, my number one platform is eBay, and especially when it comes to selling sneakers. So that's food for thought. When you're cross-listing, just remember, kind of different strokes. If I had to break anything down, so for sneakers, specialty items like collectibles and things of that nature, definitely eBay is the best bet. Mercari is kind of a mixed bag. I would say electronics and it's kind of a mixed bag over at mercari. And Poshmark is definitely the best for clothing, and definitely women's clothing over at Poshmark. Even though all of them you can sell different things, I think they kind of work themselves into some niches within those platforms. So like I said, only one sale, $92, Nike Air Max. Like, comment, subscribe. Hope y'all enjoying the short form videos. Today is leg day, so we're gonna go ahead, do some online arbitrage for about 15-20 minutes, and then get this workout in. So enjoy your day. Today is Thursday, October 29th. Double salute. And we out,